It's Tax Tip Tuesday, so joining us again is Scott Curley with Finish Line Tax Solutions, here to help you out. So the true definition of tax resolution, that's what we're talking about today. What is the definition of tax relief?
Okay, great question. We get that question asked to us all the time. People see commercials on TV all day, every day that say things like, if you owe over $10,000 to the IRS, call us today and we'll reduce your tax debt down to $500. And that is very misleading and not necessarily the true definition of tax resolution. The true definition of tax resolution is not about what you save, but more importantly, it's about what you don't lose. What we do at Finish Line, we work with all of our clients to help them establish a resolutions plan that is within their ability to pay, that does not create a financial hardship, that keeps them protected, which is so important, from any unforeseen garnishments, levies, liens, and asset seizures. And then, of course, we will work toward getting them on a plan that will enable them to pay back the least amount that the law will allow. So that is the overall true definition of what tax resolution is. But I'll say this in closing on that question, that it's so much more important to focus on what you don't lose versus what you may save, if that makes sense.
That's a great perspective. I'm glad you mentioned that. So does tax relief mean that you get your tax debt reduced? That kind of goes along with what you were saying.
Well, it could. That could be a component of tax resolution. But here's the part about that many people may not understand. You don't really want to qualify for that type of resolution anyway, because understand this, that the Internal Revenue Service, they look at several factors. They look at your willingness to pay, your ability to pay, your debt to income ratio, your age, your health, your future earning potential, the doubt as to liability, and the doubt as to collectability, and we can go on and on. The bottom line is that for people who have literally no ability to even pay their bills are the ones who qualify for a reduction, quote unquote, which is referred to as an offer in compromise. But that is not a situation that any of us really want to be in. Like I said just a moment ago, it's not about what you save, it's about what you don't lose. And most of us, we have families, we have children, we have jobs. Even if we don't have money in the bank, we have an asset, which is our job, and we don't want the IRS going after our income.
I completely agree with that. So for anyone listening, Scott, where can we go for more information?
You can always reach out to us at finishlinetaxsolutions.com, or you can call us at 866-542-5477.
Well, Scott, thank you so much for that tax tip here this Tuesday.
And thank you for having me again.